In this video, I will show you how to watch NFL International Game Series. To watch such series, the US fans can simply watch it through NFL Plus subscription. They can watch it on mobile, tablet, web, CTV, etc. However, for the international fans, what they will have to do is search for DAZN NFL Game Pass. Then simply click on this URL. From here, sign in, choose a plan, and then get a subscription. After that, they will be able to watch online. To find out which broadcaster or service shows the game, so what you can do is simply search for NFL ways to watch by country. Then hit search. Here you will get this URL from NFL.com. Click on it. Now choose the country where you are. Once you've chosen the country, you can see where you can stream it on TV, ESPN or 7 Plus, or you can get the Game Pass. And that's it. That is how you can watch NFL International Series games. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.